Before anything else, the first thing I do is usually take a shower. And likewise, I always put on a new, fresh pair of clothes. Not that I wouldn't normally do this, but just... I'll also roll up my pants just a little bit. That way I'm not walking around collecting germs on my pants. So I'll take my reusable grocery bags out of the washer because I like to wash them after I use them. Another precaution I like to take is writing down the grocery list on a clean piece of paper. That way, you're not going on your phone, then touching groceries. Then I'll Lysol some of the commonly touched surfaces in the car. Might be a little bit overkill, but then again, so is the world we're living in. Now, when it comes to masks, the government is now advising that everybody wear a mask in public, especially in grocery stores. So I have this painter's mask. It's not an N95 mask, I donated those, but it's something I've already used, and I assume it has some type of protection given that the CDC is telling people to just make their own masks. So I'll wear this out in public. When I get back, I Lysol it down so I can reuse it again. And I also have this surgical mask that I've been reusing just as a double layer. I don't know if this actually does anything, but you know, you do what you can. Lastly, I'll put some type of hat on, just because, you know, maybe some germs could collect on the hat and not my hair. You never know. And one of the last things I do is wash my hands one more time just to be safe. You wash your hands for a whole 30 seconds, lathering with soap and warm water. Now there's some debate on whether or not you should wear gloves in the grocery store. Personally I do. Number one, because I got these reusable dishwashing gloves. And number two, I'm super careful about not touching my face or anything else while I'm wearing these gloves. That's the key. If you wear gloves and touch your phone or your face, then they're not worth it, because then you're just spreading the germs that are already on the glove. So I put them on right before I go in, take them off when I get out. So the first thing I do when I get the cart is wipe down the cart with the Lysol wipes. Then I open up all of my reusable bags, put them in the cart, opened up, and then this way I can put the groceries directly into the bags and not into the cart, which may have germs on them. After I'm done, I'm very careful to take off the gloves without my hands touching the gloves. So when I get home, I'll take each item out of the plastic bag, wipe it down so it's disinfected, then put it in a clean bin separately that can be brought inside the house. And then we're left with some pretty solidly disinfected food. Then you take all your clothes off, put them into the same bag. Take my bag, open the door with my foot. And immediately take it to the washing machine and dump everything in there. Start that up. And lastly, I take another shower and thoroughly clean my whole body. Stay safe and stay home.